Hello everyone, welcome back to Goettl Homeowner Tips. I'm your host, Eric. Today we're talking about proper insulation in your home and how it can significantly improve your indoor air quality. Let's dive right in. Now you might be wondering how insulation relates to indoor air quality. Insulation is like a shield for your home. It helps maintain consistent temperatures while keeping pollutants and allergens at bay. Properly insulated attics and crawl spaces keep humidity in check, reducing the risk of microbial growth and mildew. Now, choosing the right insulation is crucial. Fiberglass, foam board, or spray foam, each has its advantages. Consult with experts like Goettl to find the best insulation for your home's specific needs. And there you have it, folks. Proper insulation isn't just about staying warm, it's about breathing cleaner, healthier air. If you're considering improving your home's insulation, reach out to Goettl for expert guidance.